This is everything we got up to this week in the Sporran workshop. Our first job was this pair of stag head skulls. Our customer wanted wooden plaques made for these to hang on with custom engraving for a shop, so we're getting to work here in our CNC program to get these sized up for him. Next job involved a lot of woodwork too. We had been commissioned to make a shop fitting for Houston Kiltmakers in Glasgow. They wanted a bespoke sporran board where you can design your own sporran and it will look something like what we have in our front room in this clip. So we're just getting to work on making all the samples up for these guys. Hopefully we'll get this finished next week for them. And of course we actually did make some sporrans this week, so we got to work on making our regular customers getting these orders out. Liam's super happy to be working on a Friday.
Waiting to go home.
And then he was prepping up orders for next week, and I got to work on packing up all our orders that we'd made this week. Here are some samples for the shop fitting. And then we made 50 World Cup Sporrans for Kilts for You in Glasgow and engraved a sporran box for them, and we lined it with blue suede lining. Really nice inside. Then we made these brass cones for a chap who's getting married. His son is to have the same matching cones, so we still need to nickel plate these, but they should come out really nice. And our last job is this sporran repair. We've got to wash the hair, clean all the metal work. The leather work on the back is actually in really good condition. This is going to be a 3rd generation sporran. It's been well looked after, it just needs a bit of an MOT, and this just shows you the true value of buying a real leather product. And that's everything we got up to this week in the Sporran factory. I hope you guys enjoyed.